Is there anybody who doesn't understand English? I don't think so. No. So, I'm going to carry on in English, okay? Now, that's how the message should be delivered anyway. Right. So, let's get to the point. Hello, all who have gathered here from far and wide, from Manchester, from Birmingham, from Lebanon, all the places that I have been called. You are all heroes. Guys, you're all heroes. This is the moment for people power, not just political power. This is a moment for people power. We need to use it to make a difference. Okay, can you hear me over there? Can you hear me over there? Yeah. Can you hear me over there? Hello to all governments, because it is this event all over the world, which is part of a No More Global Rally across the world, called to denounce the agenda, the biased agenda of the United States of America and Great Britain, the twisted policy of the West, particularly the United States of America, on Ethiopia and Eritrea and the entire region of North of Africa. On the 9/11, Al-Qaeda attacked the United States of America and thousands of lives were lost. The US went all the way to Afghanistan and all corners of the world to hunt the terrorist leader Osama bin Laden, to defend America, democracy and their way of life. Supposedly democracy, rightly so. But listen to the next one. On the 4th of November 2020, terrorist PLF attacked Ethiopian federal forces. Protecting the peace and security of Ethiopia for 20 years. Ethiopia launched a law enforcement operation inside its own territory to restore peace. Guys, please. This is a serious message. What's going on? But the similarity between the United States of America and Ethiopia in terms of restoring peace and the contrast stops there. Right? The facts might be the same, but the reaction is different. Why? Because the United States of America protected and divided the policy, which was the terrorists of the people. Shame on you! 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 Shame on you!
Why don't you walk?
3 weeks and they restored interim government. The solution for the crisis will not stop it. Terrorists in the left through the tacit approval of the United States government and misguided Biden's administration policy. Secretary Blinken, Susan Rice, J.N. Smith and the Lord continue to attack neighboring regions in Afar and Amara, destroyed infrastructures and up to 4 million people in the Horn of Africa. The Ethiopian government, through its space operation, stopped and deterred a monumental humanitarian and immigration crisis. The West should consider that was a big job of the Ethiopian government. We know what immigration was to the West. Just the other day, you know what happened? Okay, I'm not telling you what's happening. You know, the conflict in Ethiopia has unfortunately going for over a year. You know why? You know why? Because Ethiopia is fighting not just the TPLF on the ground, but the entire machinery of the United States of America and the West, who has been providing exactly. Ethiopia has been fighting the entire machinery of the United States of America and the West, who have been providing political, diplomatic and intelligence support. But this has catastrophically failed to bring them back to power as Ethiopia failed. Hallelujah! Resist! 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 Resist!
Resist.
Resist!
Resist.
Endure!
Endure.
Endure!
Endure.
Prevail!
Prevail.
Prevail! Prevail! That is the only the United States, for that matter, is now culpable and responsible for the political crisis in Ethiopia.
Yes, indeed.
Supporting a politically bankrupt DPLA who has no cause but simply trying to return to power to impose its ethnic rule on 110 million people of Ethiopia. And we say, no way!
Say no.
No way! No way!
No way.
No way!
No way.
DPLA!
TPLF.
DPLA!
TPLF.
No way!
No way.
No way!
No way.
No way!
No way.
The United States and the United Kingdom made us rather advice on Ethiopia and Eritrea to create a storm of hysteria. Quantum to information warfare. So you agree with me. That is information warfare.
Information warfare.
And information
No information.
that is information warfare. It might have worked in Syria, but it's not working in Ethiopia.
It will not work in Ethiopia. No. Say no.
People of the world knows that the United States and the UK and some of the EU governments, the UK government especially, pays for sleep, as we know about it, corruption has lost its credibility and is not worth listening to. Okay, so nobody listens to Ethiopia. Ethiopia has prepared. Eritrea has prepared. Look, judging
We are
by the power of the brain and the intensity of the fact on the ground and digitally the conflict in wars of Ethiopia speak about defiance of an African nation against neo-colonialism.
No more digital Korean as well. Yeah?
Implication to the continent of Africa and to the Black movement. So, rise up Africa!
Hands off Africa.
Rise up Africa!
Hands off Africa.
Rise up Africa!
Hands off Africa.
Use the words of His Majesty Haile Selassie the first, even in the 21st century. David will always win Goliath. David is Ethiopia. David is Eritrea. Goliath is America.
I know.
Goliath is the West. Shame on you.
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 This is a leadership moment for the political and diplomatic relationship between the West and Africa, particularly Sub-Saharan Africa. Movement for Africa to stand up against the traitor bullies like the United States of America and its Putin, the UK government. Shame on you! 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 This is not a moment. This is not a moment for right-standing African government.
수가 나비 타이어라고 얘기해. 사인가? 사인이 타이어? 사인?
The same way Judah has sold Jesus Christ for 70 dinars. Shame on you! 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 No more intervention! No more intervention! No more political pressure!
No more information.
No more information warfare!
No more information warfare.
No more war!
No more war.
No more terrorism!
No more terrorism.
No more TPLF!
No more TPLF.
No more TPLF!
No more TPLF.
No more TPLF!
No more TPLF.
Administration! The Biden administration!
Anka, you decide which of it, or just you find which of it.
Yes!
Your position
This should be
This
should not be a bystanding moment for Africa. This should not be a bystanding moment for African leaders. Unless you are the leader or the president of Zambia who sold Africa, who sold his dignity or the dignity of his region for $30 billion. The same way Judah sold Jesus Christ for 70 dinars. Shame on you! The Biden administration who failed to change regime change in Ethiopia and restore TPLF to power through all means necessary has now resorted to sponsor a coalition of Mickey Mouse extremists and terrorists rounding up from the streets of DC, led by no other than radical administration of TPLF. Shame on you! Shame on you! Shame on you! The audacity of the US Parachute leaders for Ethiopia from the streets of DC is not
I saw you earlier.
government led by Abiy Ahmed. Should respect the will of the people of Ethiopia. The will of the people of Ethiopia. Who elected to Dr. Abiy. The nations.
Don't worry. Let's go.
My word. The racist, black and white Americans who have little respect to the blackness. African blackness. Ethiopia is not a cartoon film made in Tuesday. Ethiopia is not a cartoon film made in Disney, but one of the oldest nations on earth, with thousands of years of history and an inspiration to the freedom of the black nation, an inspiration to the freedom of 1 billion people in the African continent. on you!
Shame on you!
United States administration and the United Kingdom and the Western fake media trying their best to replay the just which happened in Ethiopia to TPLF but there is no way that you would have known that Frankenstein monster on TPLF is coming back to Ethiopia. No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! The US found the prospect of Addis Ababa falling through information warfare. And impossible never learned it from their policy blender in Somalia, in Iraq, Libya, Yemen, and Afghanistan. The US is preparing to launch a war on Ethiopia. Yes, launch a war on Ethiopia. Oh my God, Ethiopia, its democratic to have their pride daily Ethiopia. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. Nothing good comes out of from US Nothing good comes out of US intervention. See the proof. See the proof in Afghanistan. See the proof in Iraq. See the proof in Yemen. See the proof in Syria. See the proof. American taxpayers. Listen, American taxpayers, you need to know what your government is doing.
Everybody's
It's
coming
your money in the other side of the world. And that's not something you should keep on.
Arman. Graduation?
The tsunami coordinated action didn't do anything. So what we say is, never trust Americans. Never trust Americans. Never trust America. Never trust America. Never trust America. Successive American administrations have betrayed Ethiopia. We never forget the gruesome protest after Susan Wright, after the 100% TPLF so-called election victory, after 720 Ethiopians were murdered on the streets of Addis Ababa in 2005. Shame on you! 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 Or not, never forget Obama's cynical description of TPLF election as democratic. Shame on you! Shame on you!
Shame on you!
No amount, say with me please, no amount,
No amount!
no amount
No amount!
of humanitarian aid will wash the states of Democrat administration have inflicted on Ethiopia during the last 30 years. 30 years. No more! No more! No more! No more! No more! No more! The US policy on Ethiopia and on the Horn of Africa is reminiscent of the European colonialists who told Africa could only understand them by shouting louder. The US is acting like a man in the hole, making mistakes after mistakes. The hole. Mistakes after mistakes. So we say to the United States of America, stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Breaking the peace of Ethiopia. Stop, stop, stop. Breaking the peace of Syria, Somalia, the Horn of Africa. No more. Eritrea will prevail. Somalia will prevail. Africa will prevail. It's the moment of Africa. Thank you. Nations, we are one. We are one. We will prevail. Over to you.
No more intervention! No more intervention! No more war! No more war! Bow down to death! Bow down to death! No more terrorism! No more corruption! No more trouble! No more sanction! No more sanction! No more war! Hands up Ethiopia! Hands up Ethiopia! Hands up Ethiopia! Hands up Eritrea! Hands up Eritrea! Hands up Eritrea!
ኤምባሲ ብላዕሊ ልቹ ወሊዖም ቆዲሑ ኣለዉ ሕጂ ብላዕሊ ልቹ ወሊዖም ተቆዲሖም ጀመሩ ሰብ ከም ዝሪኦ ዘለና ውብሎም ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ኣብቲ ላዕሊ ኮይኖም ቆድሒ ስለ ዘለዉ ኤምባሲ ቆድሒ ጀሚሮም ውብሎም ኣሎ ሰብ
ኢትዮጵያ ስትፈርስ ማየት አልፈልግም። አሁንም ተመልሼ እሄዳለሁ። ለስራ ነው የመጣሁት። ፕሮግራም አለ። የነበረውን ነገር እናንተ ያለውን ነገር ምንድን ነው ያለውን ለማሳወቅ ነው የመጣሁት። ተመልሼ እሄዳለሁ። ሁላችንም ከዚህ በኋላ አንለያይም። አንድ ነን፣ አንድ ነን፣ አንድ ኢትዮጵያ፣ አንድ ባንዲራ፣ አንድ ሀገር፣ አንድ ኢትዮጵያ። ኤርትራ በጣም ነው የምንወዳችሁ። ግንባር ላይ ስላየሁት ነው። ኤርትራኖች የሰጡን መስዋዕትነት ማንም አልከፈለልንም። በጣም እንወዳቸዋለን። የጁንታው በመቀሌ የመከላከያ መውጣት እኛ ኢትዮጵያውያኖችን አንድ እንድንሆን አድርጎናል። አሁንም አንድ ነን፣ አንለያይም፣ አንለያይም። ሳምንት ፕሮግራም አለ። ቶትናም ላይ ነው የሚዘጋጀው። ያለውን ነገር እዛ ሀገር ያለውን ችግር አንዳንድ ነገሮችን ለመወያየት ፕሮግራም አለ። ዳክተሩ እንድትመጡ አድራሻ ወይ ፌስቡክ ላይ ወይ ስልክ ላይ እንቀበላለን። ኢትዮጵያነት ያሸንፋል። ኢትዮጵያ ለዘላለም ትኑር።
አንድ ጊዜ መደማመጥ Guys, Ruth Nathan has got a very short message, a very moving message. So let's listen to Ruth.
جمال أفساد المحالف دلو هذا إثيوبياوي أب كيف زنيرو أبزي حد مالتيو أو زل قناتات كل تعذبو متيو حجي بمولو تي أوز نبرة إنفورميشن كمتصنحو حجي تي نحنا ندليو تي نحنا نبرنا مالتيو كدم حجي بمولو إثيوبيا أنصار إرترا زقالس نبرة حجي قلنا إرترا صبقنت حالينت كل فليتهم نإرترا دو مسجون له زلوا نقول إرترا وأنا بلعلي إثيوبيا موي من قصة إرترا بلعلي إثيوبيا زجورو مسجانا عند أوروبيهم بتعمينا أنا مسجن إرترا زجورو تبلعلي إثيوبيا صبقنت ولا مسجين كاوين زودا أيكونن أبصبكم يوعلنا نحن أحواتنا كلتا هاجر حدا هزوينا موني يقني لنا يمزولو زلو مالتهم حجتي رأينا أنصار حما حسب تزنبرة بملؤتنا إثيوبيا هزوي أبتنا هنا صبقنت ندع عسلة نعنا كم إرترا كم منجس إرترا زمسجون الجزينا بس إحنا زلنا كلنا إرتراويان نقعس حقوسنا Okay, thank you سعيد. كنا سبب مالتي. كنا مالتي. سيل بتران.
2 minutes. Good, yeah. And let's have the message representing the Eritrean community, please. Yeah, just 2 minutes. Hello, good evening. It is high time to say no more to PLF in the Horn of Africa. Yeah, can you say with me? It is high time to say no more to PLF in the Horn of Africa. USA, EU, UK, Arms of Eritrea. USA, EU, and UK, Arms of Ethiopia. CNN, BBC, stop fake news on Eritrea. CNN, BBC, stop fake news on Ethiopia. Eritrea shall provide. Ethiopia shall provide. No more state terrorism in Eritrea. No more information warfare on Eritrea. No more sanction on Eritrea. No more state terrorism in Ethiopia. No more information warfare in Ethiopia. No more sanction on Ethiopia. This is the message, yeah? We call on the Prime Minister Boris Johnson and UK government to support the peace agreement between Ethiopia and Eritrea signed in Asmara and Riyadh in 2018 and stand shoulder to shoulder with Ethiopia and the Eritrea government in their effort to bring peace and stability in the Horn of Africa. USA, EU, and UK, hands of Eritrea. USA, EU, and UK, hands of Ethiopia. CNN, BBC, stop fake news on Eritrea. CNN, BBC, stop fake news on Ethiopia. Thank you so much. ጋይስ መሰጃችን በመላው ዓለም ይሄን ለሚመለከቱ በተለይ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ለሚኖሩ ኢትዮጵያውያን በቴሮሪስት ፒኤልኤፍ ምክንያት ከቤታቸው ለተፈናቀሉ ለተቸገሩ እና ደግሞ ይህንን ስርዓትና መንግስትና ህዝብ አንስቶ ለማቆም ለሚሰራውና ለሚታገለው የመከላከያ እና የህዝባዊ ሰራዊት እንዲሁም የኢትዮጵያ መንግስት ታላቅ ክብርና መልእክት አለን። ይህ መልእክት ምንድን ነው? ተቋቁመን በሉ እናንተ ተቋቁመን እንዲህ ብለን ተቋቁመን ጸንተን እናሸንፋለን። ኢትዮጵያን ለምዕራባውያን የፖለቲካ የዲፕሎማሲ ግፊት የማንበረክታት የጥቁር ልጆች የጥቁሩ ዓለም የነጻነት ቤዛ መሆኗን በአድዋ ያስመሰከረች ሀገር ዛሬም ኒዮኮሎኒያሊዝምን በኢትዮጵያ አፍሪካ ቀንድ እንዲቀበል ትሰራለች፣ ታሸንፋለች። የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝብ ሆይ፣ የኢትዮጵያ መንግሥት ሆይ ከጎንህ ነን። የምታረገው ሁሉ ከኛ ጋር ነው። እውነት ከእኛ ጋር ነው። ፈጣሪ ከእኛ ጋር ነው። አላህ ከእኛ ጋር ነው። አላህ ከእኛ ጋር ነው። አላህ ከእኛ ጋር ነው። እናሸንፋለን። አልሐምዱሊላህ አልሐምዱሊላህ እናሸንፋለን። እምቢ ብለን ተቋቁመን ጸንተን ቆመን የምዕራባውያንን ሴራ እንበጣጥሳለን። ይህ ዘመን ኢትዮጵያ ከፍ የምትልበት፣ ኤርትራ ከፍ የምትልበት፣ አፍሪካ ከፍ የምትልበት ዘመን ይሆናል። ኃይል አለን። በእግዚአብሔር አላህ እናምናለን። ይፈጸማል ቃሉ ይፈጸማል። ሕልሙ ይፈጸማል። ኢትዮጵያ ከፍ ብላ ትመናለች። ወያኔ የበጣጠሰው ኢትዮጵያዊነት የተሳሰረበት ክርና ሰንሰለት እንደገና ይቀጣጠላል። ሆነን እናሸንፋለን። እናመሰግናለን። ምንም ጥርጥር የለውም። ሰናይ ሰናይ ይሰማል ወይ?
ሰናይት ሰናይት
ከኢትዮጵያ መንግስት ጎን ቆማለሁ ስል ከኢትዮጵያ ጎን ቆማለሁ ስል ከሁሉም ጋር ነው። ህወሓት ከማንም በላይ የትግራይ ነው። ከማንም በላይ ደምደስ ወራቱ የባሰ ከሁሉም ሊጠቀም ያደረገው ወንበዴ ህወሓት ታሪክ መሆን አለበት፣ መቀበል አለበት።
ህወሓት ይበቃል።
ለኢትዮጵያ መንግስት መልዕክት አለኝ። ለኢትዮጵያ መንግስት አንድ ባለስልጣን ይሰማል። ለኢትዮጵያ መንግስት መልዕክት አለኝ። መልዕክቴ ምንድን ነው? እኔ ከሊላ ኃይለማርያም በላይ ለኢትዮጵያ መንግስት ቀርባለሁ። ትናንትና የትም ያልነበረ ህወሓት የነበረ ስልጣን ህወሓት ዘመናችን ሁሉ መንግስት ዘመን ያስፈልጋል። ዛሬ ማሳጥረኞች ህወሓት ሆነው ትግራዮች ልጆች የሚያሳድዱ አብዛኞቹ ህወሓት ናቸው። ህወሓቶች ናቸው። ህወሓትን የሚቃወሙ የትግራይ ልጆች በህወሓት ተመልሶ አዲስ አበባ ላይ የታሰሩ ነው። ይሄን የምላችሁ አሳጥረኞች ጋር ያሉ በደርግ ጊዜ ሳጥረኛ ነበረ ህወሓት ዛሬ ባዛምናኔ ብሎ መንግስት ብሎ ተሰብስቦ ያለ ሌባን መንግስት ዘመን ያስፈልጋል። ሌባውን ያነቃል። ኢትዮጵያ ትስር
አለኝ አስር ያለኝ
ኢትዮጵያ ታሸንፋለች። በህወሓት መቃወም ላይ አትስታ ኢትዮጵያ ሁላችን በእኩልነት እንገነባለን። ህወሓት ይከበራል። እናሸንፋለን። አመሰግናለሁ።
ወደ ወጣኝ ከማስተላለፍ በፊት ጋይስ ይሄ Germanic is magnificent. It's the biggest show in the world. በ23 ከተማ ይካሄዳል።
በ5 ኮንቲኔንት ይካሄዳል ዛሬ። nothing like London, nothing like UK, nothing like UK. Guys, we are very proud of you. We are very proud of you. ኢትዮጵያ ኤርትራ ሶማሊያ ወደሱ ነገር ግን ከዚህ ጀርባ ሰፖርት አወርቁት። ስለዚህ ሊፍሌቱ ተሰራጭቷል። ዲሴምበር 11 ላይ በሚደረገው የወገን ድጋፍ ኢትዮጵያን እንታደግ የሚለው ፕሮግራም ላይ ሰፖርት ኢትዮጵያ on the center level. Okay, come and support Ethiopia. I am sure we have got a venue big enough for that. But come and do donate. Help Ethiopia. እናመሰግናለን።
በከምባር ክቡራት ተኸታተልቲ ከም ንሪኦ ዘለና ዓብን ዕውትን ፕሮግራም ይካየድ ዘሎ ሕጂ ናብ ባጋ ናብ ሙዲ ንኸይድ ዘሎ እዚ ከም ንሪኦ ዘለና ንሙሉእ ለንደን ዓፂድ ዋዕለ ዴሞንስትሬሽን እዩ ተኻይዱ ካብ ለንደን ጥራይ ዘይኮነ ካብ ኩሉ ከባቢታት ማለት እዩ
ዋላ ኢትዮጵያ ዘሚሮም ዓቅም ይምሰሉ መኖራ
Those who have joined us from Jamaica, those who have joined us from Uganda, those who have joined us from Kenya, those from Nigeria, those who have joined us from Jamaica again, Caribbean. Yes, sir. Okay. We now have the Ethiopian national anthem. It's important. وقعتا تملس لنا نازم نتسانا وقعتا ندلك اسكز لنا نازم نتسا اوكي لما انت مدونا على الفرد انتيو بمجمرة جزء الطريق مالتي هاجر ايران يتبع بالقمرة جزء انزلنا علي وانا سلبي عود بتعمي زعد اسنقاوي ኢትዮጵያውያን ኮይኖም ዝገብሮ ዘሎ ሰላማዊ ሰልፊ ዕውት ኮይኑ ንሙሉእ ዞባና ሰላምን ቅሳነትን ዝህብ ንሓዋሩ ኸውን ድማ ቅፃለ ክንሰርሓሉ ኢና جمال رامي صباح أبقون من قسنا رامي صباح بعد صباح نزال العالم أبقوني سراويتنا أداو نبل نحنا سراويتنا عادينا نحنا منقستنا حادينا نحن منقسنا حادينا نحن سراويتنا حادينا أدع لمنقسنا أدع سراويتنا إخوانا زوار التغطيب يقاوموا نحن منقسنا حادينا بريزيدنت إسياس أفورقي زي على المزارنا Eritrea Alliance President Isaias Abiy Ahmed are our leaders long live Ethio-Eritrean Alliance thank you
አሁን ዛሬ ላይ ያላችሁ ጠቅላላ ውረዱልን። አርቲስቶች ብቻ ሲቀሩ ከኤርትራ አንድ አርቲስት አለ፣ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ሌሎች የኛም አርቲስቶች አሉና ቀሪዎቻችሁ ካሜራማን ጠቅላላ ውረዱልን እባካችሁ። ባሉ ካቅሙ በላይ ሆኗል። እናመሰግናለን። በኋላ ላይ ደግሞ ትመጣለን። ይሰማል? ኢትዮጵያ ይሰማል? አገር ቤት ያለውን ነገር ግልጽ እንድትላችሁ ብዙ ጊዜ ሳይሆን ያለው ነገር ስለ ጦርነቱ ምንድነው ያለውን ነገር ፈልጉ። ሳምንት እሑድ ፕሮግራም አለን ቶትናም ላይ እንድትመጡ ብዬ ነው።
ሰላም ሪፖርት ይቀርባል። ሁላችሁም ጠሩ እንድትገኙ። በነገራችን ላይ ጋይስ no more. We have got no more t-shirt here. You can donate with TG. Yeah, buy her car. But no more. There is only a few left. You can donate and you can collect your no more t-shirt. No more is a movement. It's a big thing, okay? Your following is just like Black Lives Matter. The big thing. No more. Thank you. Guys, get your t-shirts.
Papa, the